Talk Like Jamaicans, Part 7.
Wagwan. Did you know that at some point, some Jamaicans answers a question by asking another question?
What do you mean?
Alright, ask me something.
Can I see you tonight?
What you want?
I need you to take me to the movies.
Fi make your man see me and you? Him not just come from country. Where I go tell him say if him see we?
Is it true that you like that chick in Florida?
What you talk about?
What about the Canadian lady you're always on the phone with?
Which Canadian lady?
Did the Michigan girl said on TikTok Live she'd handcuff and blindfold you?
Where you get that from?
Why are you searching for Keisha?
Who tell us that me a search for Keisha? Me?
Your kid's mom and you did 11 years before separated. Are you still crazy over her?
What in a God good world make you think something like that?
Are you honestly single?
Then you see me with anybody? You take your eyeball them and see me with nobody? You don't know say me single?
Artist Craig Kirkland, when will you be serious? I am really not joking.
You look like me a joke to you. You see laugh on my face. You a police or what? Where all of them question you for be? Thanks so much for watching.